Country living in the Steve Parker custom-built 4-bedroom, 2-bath home on 4 acres just minutes from town. 12-foot vaulted ceilings and a cozy gas fireplace make this beautiful open floor plan living room/kitchen home perfect for entertaining. This home boasts custom Amish-built cabinets, a split floor plan with a large master bedroom with 9 feet double tray ceilings and a huge ensuite with 2 walk-in closets. Plenty of room for cars and toys with the attached 2-car garage and a large detached 2-car garage. New roof in January 2020.